Alright, let's dive into what the Honor 400 Pro is packing, and right off the bat, it's clear Honor is swinging for the fences here. Overall, the Honor 400 Pro, based purely on these specs, looks like a seriously capable and feature-packed device. That display brightness and the sheer power under the hood are definite head-turners, and the camera system appears very versatile. It's shaping up to be a strong contender in the high-end smartphone market.